Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is root n plus root minus n equals 12. You have to find the value of n. So we will solve this as, first of all, consider the value of root n equals 12. This is plus, so when it goes to right hand side it will be minus. So 12 minus root n. 12 minus root minus n. Now we will solve this as, take square on both sides. So this will become root n square, and in this side we have 12 minus root of minus n square. So here we will apply the formula of a minus b whole square, that equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this square and this square root are cancelled out and we have only n, and from this side this will become 12 square minus 2 into 12 into root of minus n and plus root of minus n square. So this will become equals 12 square, that is 144 minus 24 root of minus n and plus this square is cancelled out by this square root and we have minus n. Now we get 144 minus 24 root of minus n then minus n equals n. Now this n is subtracted, it will be added. So n plus n, and this side we have, take 2 as common from this. So we get 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, minus 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 root of minus n. So n plus n will be 2n. So 2n equals 2 into root of 72 minus 12 root of minus n. So 2 and 2 are cancelled out and we have n equals 72 minus 12 root of minus n. So we will solve this further as, this will become n minus 72, because 72 is added here, it will subtract, equals minus 12 root of minus n. Now again take square on both sides. Again square on both sides, we will get n minus 72 square equals minus 12 root of minus n square. So this will become n square plus 72 square minus 2 into n into 72, and from this side we have equals minus 12 square and the root of minus n square. So we get the value of this equals n square plus 72 square. 72 into 2 is 144n, and this side we have 144 and this square is cancelled out by this and minus n. So we get n square plus 72 square and minus 144n and this will be plus 144 and equals 0. So we have this and this term are cancel out and get, so this will become n square plus 72 square and that equals 0. So we have n square equals minus 72 square. Now we will take square root on both sides. So we will get n square root equals plus minus root of minus 72 square. So we can write minus 72 as minus 1 into 72 square, and this square is cancelled out by this square root. So we know that root of minus 1 equals iota, and this square is cancelled out by this. So we have plus minus 72 iota is the value of n. So now we will write the final answer here, that n equals plus minus root 72 iota. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. On this channel, you will find the solution of many Olympiad math problems, many international and national competitive exams. Best of luck for your exam. Take care.